I started Samiksha Foundation back in 2007, and the genesis is there was a 6-year-old girl I met with her family at one of the oncology wards at Bangalore. It really struck me as strange that children going through life-threatening illnesses like cancer have no recourse to education whatsoever during treatment. This was the feeling that I went back with that day and made me start thinking about the course of action for empowering children with life-threatening illness with education. The reason for this is after 2 years of research, I found that what the children really need is getting back their childhood, which has been taken away because of cancer and such long-term illnesses. Now the treatment protocol doesn't allow them to go to school. My first thought was, what else can we offer other than medical treatment? Because most of the non-profits supporting cancer were all supporting the medical treatment of the children. That's when I thought it was so important, to start some method by which we can empower these children with knowledge, with something that increases their happiness quotient over time, which will make them accept their medical condition and also return to mainstream life with pride and dignity. The confidence and the lack of fear that they really should develop over this long-term treatment was so important. And honestly, the one thing I learned in all these years of working through them, and I'm very glad that our mission is what it's all about, is children really miss school. Children of all ages, their anchor is school. And now with Corona, what has happened is all children with cancer or otherwise have all come on level playing field, because all of them are going to miss school. Back then when I started the foundation, which was named after this little girl whom I met at Manipal Hospital actually in 2007, I realized that these were special kids that required special treatment, a special way of learning, and there has to be some way paved for them to get back to their education. And I'm so glad that 11 years later, we are still so successful after positively impacting some 7,500 children. So more than 5,000 of them have gone back to school, and I'm very happy about it. As you may have heard from our teachers, this has been a life-changing experience for all of us. Going to the Kidwai Memorial Hospital, teaching the children 4 days a week, then starting a center at Narayana Hridayalaya Majumdar Shaw Cancer Center 2 years ago. All of this has been a life-changing experience for us as a core team, for the volunteers who come to teach here, spend time with the children, and for the caregivers, and most of all for the children. So we recently did a happiness project based on research on how they accept our program at the hospital, and the results were really encouraging and very positive, and our director will talk to you about that. But I jokingly tell everyone that Samiksha Foundation, the mission of it, is a happiness project for all of us, not just for the children with cancer, for the volunteers who come to work here, who come to teach, who spend time with the children. For them it's life-changing, and for us as a core team, it has become a family. Now since 2019, when when Corona hit, everything changed for our teachers and for us, because our contact with the kids became zero. So stopping the learning centers was something that we didn't want it to be a setback. We had to think about it. So that is when we launched the Samiksha 2.0.